So the question that we are having right now is very simple. It is a 1290 problem, and it says that we have to convert the binary number into a linked list to an integer. So let us see the example what it means. It means that if we are given a linked list like 1 0 1, then we have to convert this binary number 101 into the integer with the base 10, which is equal to 5. And we know how we do it. We do it like if we have 1 0 1, it means like we have to do first we have to take the last one like this, and we have to do 1 multiply 2 with the power of 0 plus, then we will take second 0 multiply 2 to the power of 1 plus, then we take the most significant bit 1, and we do like 1 into 2 with the power of 2, which will be equal to 5. That is, we will start from the least significant bit and we will multiply it with 2 to the power 0, and then as we increase and as we go to the left, we will increase the power of 2 by 1 and multiply it, and then addition of it. So it is very simple question. Let's see how I implemented it. Firstly, I calculated the length of the number. So I just do it like I have taken a length variable, and I find the length of the number like this. So right now what we have, if we take the example of 101, then we have length is equal to 2, but as we have seen, the length is equal to 3 because example is 101. So the maximum power will be 2, and we are having result is equal to 0, and we are having this and we again, now what we are doing, we want to traverse the list from here, and what we are doing we are adding the power of the power right now, that is 2 with of 2 into num, and we're doing power minus, and it is equal to. It is a very simple question. I hope you have got what the answer is, and if we run it, it is working absolutely fine. There is no problem in that. Yeah.